Happy Thanksgiving and welcome to another Mug Cake Musical. Today I'm going to be joined by my friend Alicia from Country Mama Musings. Grab your mug, it's a Mug Cake Musical.
It's Cranberry mug cake time.
Grab yourself a mug and let's make it now.
First thing that we need is a 1/4 cup of self-rising flour.
Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a dash of salt and mix.
Melted butter and vanilla.
Next will come the milk.
Then you mix together.
Then you have to grab some Craisins and drop them right inside.
Pop it in the microwave for a minute
or 2.
It's the perfect mug cake for you. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving from our homes to yours. Gobble, gobble.
Joey! Joey!